Hi, this is Santosh Kumar from Panimalan Engineering College. I got selected into Synergic through 360 Ripple Solutions. And the task which I have been assigned was to develop a fitness tracker application, and this is what my login screen looks like. First, let's see a negative edge case where I try to log in without any password or incorrect password. This is what the negative edge case says, and error message like incorrect username or password. So let's try correct password now. Now it's logged in. This is what my home screen, and I have added a responsive navbar here, and I have named my application as Sweat Savvy. And let's move on to create page right now, and this is what a create page for an activity looks like, where we can here also we will see the negative edge case first. When I try to move on to another field, it says that user is required. Let's try in this field also. Here also it says title is required, and I also used reactive forms so that the create button will be enabled once I enter all the fields except notes and calories burned. The reason why I have included not included calories burnt as a required field is because that some may or may not have smartwatches or Fitbit. So that's why I used a concept where I have developed a trigger in my SQL database such that whoever has a smartwatch or a Fitbit can enter the calories burnt which they have got from the smartwatch. But for those who don't have any smartwatch or any kind of smart devices, I have used a trigger in my database such that whenever I create activity in create, insert or update query enters the database, it updates the calories burned with the help of this formula. The formula is given here: weight and met value and duration. Here the met value is the it says what kind of activity that they are doing. And here we can see what are the type of activities which I have included in my application. Here, this is what for each and every activity there will be a respective met value associated with it. So let's try adding activity first. Right now we can see that the create button is enabled after I entered all the required fields. Even though I didn't enter any calories manually, you can see that for even basketball, calories burned will be updated even though I didn't enter any value. Here we can see that the calories burnt is 121, which is calculated with the help of my trigger which I have enabled in my SQL Server database. And we can edit the same activity also. Let's say let's say we try to update the 50, and here let's say I know the calories burnt right now 150 or something like that. See, activity updated successfully. And when we try to delete this is what a details page look like. And let's try deleting the same activity. Okay, activity deleted successfully right now. Here we can see that there is no activity which is basketball evening because it's been deleted. Now let's move on to this is what my fetch all page looks like. Let's move on to a fetch filter page. Okay, where we can here what it does is that it filters based on the user and a particular date. In a particular date, let's say here it is 1/3/2024, the user ID user Emily Brown has done only one activity. And let's move on to fetch using join. What fetch using join does is that it joins two tables, user tables and activities done tables. User table contains columns such as username, date of birth and calories target. Here what's the calories target is that the daily target that he or she wants to achieve in order to lose or gain weight. And this is what the activities they have done associated with the date and duration, how much time they have done the specific activity. And here is my business logic or analysis page where we can see the analysis of a particular person. Let's say John Doe. Okay, here there may be a question, what does ZIL count? Here ZIL count says that how many days he or she have attained their daily calorie target. Here we can see that on 1/25/2023 have reached the calorie target, and on 1/2/2024 he or she has reached the calorie target, and on these 2 days he or she may not have reached the calories target, which we can see it in the calendar also, which is 1/2/2024. Here 1/2/2024 we can see that daily target is met. And this is next. Move on to profile page. This is what my profile page looks like, where it shows all the user details, and this is a logout option where we can log out the application. That's all.